Are you looking for the best Dopp kits for men in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Dopp kits for men that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. The Dopp Kit by Felt. The Dopp Kit for Men involves the construction of high-density hard-waxed canvas material. With the help of ultra-soft waxed canvas fabric interior, you can also keep your necessities protected from damages. Moreover, the cruelty-free vegan leather handle makes this toiletry bag extremely durable. The heavy-duty and well-constructed bag makes a perfect present for your loved ones. This Dopp kit also matches the personalities of both men and women. Furthermore, the one main zippered compartment comes with a wide opening design. Therefore, you can carry a toothbrush, soap, mouth freshener, shampoo, and other necessities. The reinforced stitching extends the durability of this toiletry bag. Number 4. Handcrafted Vintage Dopp Kit by Leather Goods. This Dopp kit for men comes with more than one dual zippered compartment. With the help of an outer zippered compartment, you can also keep your valuables safe. Moreover, the leather toiletry bag involves the construction of heavy-duty and full-grain, pure buffalo leather. The extra-large travel kit comes with a waterproof lining to keep your backpack dry and spill-free. The kit also offers adequate space to store your shaving, grooming and toiletry necessities. Furthermore, the classic-style leather bag makes a sophisticated present to your boyfriends and fathers. A durable and wide hanging strap helps you to hang this bag against any hook. Number 3. Travel Shaving Dopp Kit by FUNKESH. The waterproof, high-density Oxford fabric construction makes this Dopp kit for men exceptionally durable. This compact toiletry bag also comes with multiple zippered compartments. With the help of a wide opening, you can simply organize the storage space accordingly. Moreover, you can carry your toothbrush, soap, shampoo, mouthwash, and other personal items. This travel toiletry bag is also compact and easily fits inside your luggage. Furthermore, this travel-size Dopp kit has a foam-padded inner layer to prevent your necessities from breaking. A hand strap helps you to carry this kit without any difficulty. The dual slide, close-end zippers help you to access the case from each side. Number 2. Emissary Travel Toiletry Bag Dopp Kit. This toiletry travel bag comes in compact size yet offers enough space to accommodate all grooming necessities. This Dopp kit for men also comes along with a heavy-duty leather support strap. Therefore, the handle can withstand up to 15 lbs of weight. Moreover, the reinforced zippers of the compartments do not easily tear or rip. These multi-zippered compartments also come along with an extra inner pocket. Furthermore, the premium quality and well-stitched leather corners enhance the beauty of this bag. The shaving kit comes with a waterproof inner lining. Therefore, the bag does not spill liquids and keeps your backpack dry and comfortable. Number 1. KOMALC Toiletry Bag Travel Dopp Kit. The Dopp kit for men comes with the construction of classy buffalo leather. This kit also comes with a distressed tan color to increase the beauty of this bag. Moreover, the spacious and multiple zippered compartments hold your necessary toiletries. The metal zippers make this kit look beautiful as well as durable. The full-grain buffalo leather also enhances the classiness of this genuine leather toiletry bag. Furthermore, the dual YKK zippers offer exceptional durability and rigidity. The robust leather handle makes transportability hassle-free for men. This travel Dopp kit has an external zippered pocket for keys, cards, and other small things.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.